we need to focus right now on the flood control projects. This is a repair already and rehabilitation. Kailangan din natin tignan. So what do we do to avoid this in the future? Ang tubig hindi nangingilala ng boundary. Kaya ang flood control has to be a big plan. Hindi pwedeng it will cross 3, 4, 5 regions. We have to understand the flow of the water and how to somehow manage it.